everyone, welcome back to a new video. It's been a while. You guys know why I'm here. Remember we were talking about what I like to do here? Unboxings. Yeah, you know, what a surprise. We're back with another unboxing. This package was stuck in Ohio for like 2 days. I wanted to get it on Friday to make the video to post it on Saturday. Here we are, Memorial Day Monday, opening up this box. But it's fine. It's fine. I'm not that mad about it. It's in my hands now. Hopefully, if we open this box and it's not in the box, then I'm out of luck, I guess. The reason why it's taken me so long to get this was because I was waiting for the premium Bandai website to get orders in, you know, to open up their pre-orders for this thing. So I felt a little weird trying to order it just from like one of those random sites. I really didn't want to, you know, risk it. So Bandai Premium opened up their pre-orders, and they're also going to eventually have an English app for this thing. Oh, receipt. We don't need that. This case is a protective package for product transportation. Okay, there is English instructions on here, how to charge the device, but this is the front of it. And it's the special, I bought the green one. I would have gone for the black one because that's just the standard color that I wear all the time, except for today. Decided to be a little bit more colorful. But the green one comes with an extra DIM card, so I had to buy that instead. Remove the charging cable as soon as charging is complete. If charging message does not appear after you start charging, or the battery does not charge for more than 4 hours, disconnect and stop immediately. Fun. Fun stuff. You know, lithium batteries, fun stuff. Let's see what it looks like. Maybe there's a fun box inside this box. There is a fun box inside this box. Don't need that. There it is. It's so light. Oh my god. Okay. That's an instruction manual. Okay. I don't want to throw the box. I've thrown enough boxes today. Manual, charging cable, which is really short. That's a really short cable. Okay. And the first thing I see are DIM cards. I just want to see the bait. I want it on my arm. It's so cute because they look like cell phone cards. That's so awesome. Oh my god. As a digital monster. That is so cool. That is so awesome. Now I know why people are keeping the plastics too, because like they're so cool. And then here's the extra XVmon one that you get with the band. Finally, well, we have the memory, and then we have the bracelet itself. Wait, what is this? What's happening here? What's happening here? Okay. So you guys see that? Huh. I don't know what's happening there, but that's not sitting correctly. This side here is a little loose, and I'm trying to push it back in, but it's like not. Okay, it's a little, that makes me a little nervous because if you're wearing it, you don't want it to like pop off, you know? That's a little awkward. I'm assuming you can you take these bands off? I'm assuming you can, but all right, fantastic. Good start. Good start. I'm gonna open up the instructions as if I know how to read these. I don't. I'm actually gonna start off with Pulsemon, or you know, because that's the Digimon it originally like comes with. I'm gonna put waiting for what? Is it waiting for the Digimon to slide into the watch? Now I'm a little bit disappointed because of the way the band is on the watch already. I like, why is it doing that? I'm gonna see if I can try to fix it. Set your Vital Bracelet. So I guess that means put on your Vital Bracelet. It's like super green. Oh. Oh, cute. Okay, hold on. Hold on, buddy. Let me just put this on real quick. But it's fully charged. It's got a couple of steps in, and then the time. So I'm gonna press some buttons. Steps, I've not taken 25 steps, but that's nice of you to suggest. Oh, okay. Look how cool this is. You can change the backgrounds. Of course I'm gonna pick this one because it's dope. Okay, this is the brightness, which I'm probably gonna put the brightness down low because it eats battery. Bandai Premium said that they're going to release an English app eventually, and then they sent another update email about like the Japanese app, and they've been sending a lot of emails about the Vital Bracelet, which I really appreciate, and I think it's great that they're trying to market it to North American and English speakers overall, because I think this could be potentially be something really cool. That's it for the Digimon Vital Bracelet. Sorry if I feel a little underwhelmed, like I was excited about it and then this band just drove me insane because it's like just like open here, and I'm kind of like, if you would like to get this bracelet, Bandai Premium opened up pre-orders for an October shipment of the bracelets. They have black, white, and the special edition, this one. Pre-orders are open until September 27th, or I guess until they sell out. Black and white are going for $65, and the special one is going for $75. They're also selling the Dim Card Set EX, which includes Agumon, Gabumon, Volcanic, Beat, and Blizzard Fang. I haven't bought those dim cards yet because I wanted to make sure that I could get the bracelet running, and I may or may not try to do the app thing if I can finagle my way around it. I'm not 100% sure. If you would like to get your own band, check out the link below and you can pre-order it, but like I said before, it's going to be an October shipment, so you're going to have to wait a little bit. There's a great manual that I will link. I'm going to start reading that in a bit because I need to figure out how this thing works. I haven't been very active on YouTube, but I've been active on Twitch lately. If you want to join me on Twitch, I stream Monday, Wednesday, or Fridays at 9:30. Come hang out. We play a bunch of games and stuff, and we just chill, have a good time. I'm also active on Instagram, which is where I've been putting my little like Digimon posts lately. I haven't been making any videos about the little things that I've been getting Digimon related, like these Digimon socks or these Digimon figurines. There's 2 in my case, but you can check that out on my Instagram. Those links are down below as well. Thank you for joining me in today's Vital Bracelet journey, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!